Good morning, everybody. I decided I want to start doing more acoustic stuff, recording some acoustic songs. Is my beard awful this morning? No, my beard is always awful. Anyway, yeah, so I want to start recording some acoustic stuff, and I have some pretty decent microphones, but I wanted two condenser mics, small diaphragm ones, and Amazon were doing a great deal on the C2, so let's do a bit of an unboxing and I might try them out. Comes in a pretty sturdy, nice case, hard plastic. User manual. Two microphone clips, which is always nice, I'm always losing them. Two windscreens. A stereo bar, which is kind of ironic because I bought one a while back, so now I have two. And the microphone itself. Supposedly this is a matched pair, so they should be good for stereo recording, spaced pair setups. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if you can see that properly. But anyway, Behringer C2, they look pretty good. They're very cheap, but very well reviewed. See that on there. Yeah, so it's got a super cardioid polar pattern. Cardioid would be better, but I'm sure this will be fine. It has a 10 dB pad and a high-pass filter on it, built in. So that's cool, and it's all switchable, which is handy. Pretty well made for $33, was it? 33 pounds? I don't remember. It's under €50 anyway. And then the second one. Yeah. So, impressed with the packaging and the look of them so far, but that's not really as important as the sound of them. So I might plug these in and see what they're like. Right, so you can see that I have like a spaced pair setup style thing going. Not to get into too far into the details, but they're basically set up spaced apart as a pair. General rule of thumb is for every 1 unit of distance they are away from the guitar, they need to be 3 away from each other. This isn't exact, it's just a rough estimate really. But yeah, I'll just give this a shot. Something like that, just to get a rough idea. So I'll just go through how we're gonna have this mixed as you just heard it. So mic 1, hand hard left, mic 2, hand hard right. Then a bit of compression on both, I think. Just go with a stock for the time being. And we'll also add some EQ just to make things a bit nicer. Nicer. The re-EQs. What I normally use. It would be my favorite. So, and then some reverb, yeah. Might do an effects send type reverb. Yeah, okay. Let's go for a medium round. And then add a send from both of those. There we go. And then I'll just adjust the EQ to make it sound better. Okay, so yeah, they worked out pretty great. I obviously just a very quick demo, and I didn't spend enough time setting levels and setting the mic placement perfectly or anything. I just threw them down roughly where I thought would work. But yeah, good sound off those mics, especially for how cheap they are. And hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more videos of me playing acoustic guitar in the future. I'm also planning on doing some videos with my girlfriend where she is an awesome singer. It will not have anything to do with this channel probably, but they'll be up online if you want to look them up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as always. Check back next time.